Bernadette Gaudette is preparing her store for what should be her busiest season, Christmas.
The last couple months have been a little bit slower than we kind of anticipated for the summer-fall.
And with that comes uncertainty as to what these next 2 months will look like, especially now that the loonie took a dive.
It might have a modest impact in terms of online shopping.
But for local retailers and consumers, it won't have a direct effect on them in the short term. But if the doomed dollar keeps up, consumers can expect to pay more in the coming months if the retailer buys product from other countries.
For us, like we pay the cost on those and we pay the duty and the shipping and everything like that, and it all adds up. And I don't want to be overcharging for something if I don't have to be.
On a provincial level, according to Kent Smith Windsor, the declining loonie is supportive for exports focused toward United States business, but means input prices will slightly go up.
It's got a downward pressure on the value of commodities to some extent. On the other hand, something like potash is priced in American dollars, so it's probably strangely supportive for the activity in that area.
But even with the falling stock market, low oil prices and loonie dip, Saskatchewan is still expected to have a great holiday shopping season.
We're seeing very robust employment growth,
which means more disposable income. But according to a new Bank of Montreal study, Canadians on average are expected to spend less this holiday season than last. Adults in Calgary, Toronto, and Montreal were polled, which Smith Windsor says is not a fair representation of Canada, being that Saskatchewan is a leader when it comes to growing wage and employment rates.
Those two parameters continue to support the Saskatoon or Saskatchewan economy.
Now, as for the slower than normal shopping season this fall, Smith Windsor says it's all psychological, and a little bit of snow should get people into the mindset to start shopping for winter and all that comes with it. Jessica Kent, Global News.